So the next binder that we have is this one from Z-Folio, and we have the LX version. So this one here comes in a variety of different colors. And I must say I am biased just because this one here is what I'm using for basically all my sets that I'm collecting right now. So if we actually open it up, it's a nice 3x4. Okay, so 4x3. And what I mean by that, if you actually go ahead and open it up, you can see a lot of cards in one visual view as compared to if you were just using a 3x3 binder. If you're using just a 3x3 binder, then you wouldn't see this side here. You would only be seeing these 9 cards. This is why I have more preference towards 4 card slot binders now. So 4 in a row. And there are ones that are 4x4, which I've showed you earlier in the video. What I also like about this is that I'm able to, because it's a zipper binder, I'm able to put the player's guide within the binder itself, and it helps me kind of navigate which cards I'm missing and such. But overall, I'd say this is a very, very neat binder. I am quite pleased with this. I use this right now for all my collections. So there is some sort of bias there. And I mean, you can see that, imagine this all filled out with special illustration rares. This is just going to be very pleasing to the eye. And it's just going to be nice to look at when it comes to showing yourself or showing other people. So this one here holds about 480 cards, and it's also got a nice premium leatherette cover that you see right over here. And so this is what I'll be using for most of my collections. And again, there is some bias there. But with that though, the durable zipper enclosure just makes it for a nice way to protect your collection just like that. So multiple colors, but let's go ahead and move on to the next one.